I'm just going to show you how to duplicate ad sets from one campaign and place them in another one. So an example here would be this conversions campaign I have. So if I wanted to move this ad set into another campaign to use for another objective, because if you set an objective, it has to be done at the campaign level. So sometimes you might have some targeting in place in an ad set that contains an ad that you want to use under another objective. So that's one instance where you would want to move from one campaign to another. So all you do is highlight on the left-hand side and you want to hit duplicate, and then you want to hit existing campaign. So I can basically place that in any campaign by typing in the name of the campaign you want to move it into. And then once you've found one, just keep notice of this though, because sometimes it will want you to change the optimization of the ad set itself. So if it was a website traffic campaign, for example, and it's optimizing towards link clicks, sometimes by default, this will want, when you duplicate it in, it will come in and it will be now optimizing to landing page views. So you just want to undo that unless that's something you're interested in testing. So when you hit duplicate, it should paste that ad set. So it comes up there highlighted in green, so it's in a draft state. We just want to jump into this campaign that I pasted it into and see if it's there, and there it is there. So one thing you want to do is that you can see that the naming conventions are not really aligned to the campaign I just placed it into. So what I would usually do is I have strict naming conventions, so it usually will end at the ad set level at maybe the country there. So you can just copy across the naming conventions and paste them there to make sure it aligns and everything's organized. So once you hit review and publish, that's it. The ad set will be in the new campaign. One thing to check though is that because it's in a new campaign, it's under a new objective, you want to make sure that it is optimizing to something that is relevant to the campaign that it's now been pasted into. So Facebook will usually flag that as an error. So for example, if you've copied across two ad sets from a post engagement campaign and placed them in a campaign that is a website traffic objective, it's probably going to flag those two ad sets as errors. And as soon as you change over the objective at the bottom of the ad set, the error should go away. You just want to make sure that at the ad set level, it is optimizing towards your objective at the campaign level or whatever you would like to track.